Hey, if you are someone who wants to earn online, but you feel that building software, websites, or apps is too technical, then this is for you. Right now, what most people believe is that to create software or websites, you need coding, experience, and years of learning. But the reality today is completely different. With the help of AI, you can actually build websites, simple software, and even web applications without writing complex code. And businesses are already paying 10,000, 20,000, even 50,000 rupees for these kinds of solutions. The problem is most people do not know how to use AI in a practical way. They watch videos, try different tools, but nothing really turns into real income. That is exactly why I created this workshop. In this live session, I will show you step by step how to build real projects using AI, not theory, actual implementation. You will learn how to create websites, how to build simple web apps, what tools to use, and most importantly, how to take these skills and turn them into paid client work. Even if you have never built anything before, you can still do this. This is designed for beginners, working professionals, and anyone who wants to start earning using AI. So, if you are serious about learning something practical and actually using AI to build and earn, just check the details below and enroll if it feels right for you. I will see you inside.